Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your affiliate links with ClickBank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your affiliate links with ClickBank, begin by logging into your ClickBank account. Navigate to the Marketplace section. In the search bar, find the product you wish to promote. Click on the product name to view its details. Locate the Promote button to generate your unique affiliate link. In the pop-up window, enter your account nickname. Optionally, you can add a tracking ID for better analytics. Click the Create button to generate your link. Now, copy your affiliate link to your clipboard. Next, visit a URL shortener website, such as bit.ly or tinyurl. Paste your affiliate link into the URL shortener. Customize the link if the service allows you to. Retrieve your newly shortened link. To further secure your link, you can use a redirect service. Set up a custom domain for added credibility. Install the necessary scripts or plugins for the redirect. Create a redirect from your custom domain to your ClickBank link. Test the redirect to ensure it works correctly. Now your affiliate link is secured and shortened. Consider using cloaking techniques for additional protection. Monitor your link performance using analytics tools. Make adjustments to your marketing strategy based on the performance data. With these steps, you can effectively secure your affiliate links and enhance your marketing efforts on ClickBank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.